Say hello to AI-powered automation. DevAssure AI generates extensive feature and regression test cases from the product requirement document and UI mockups, which can be provided by user or seamlessly imported from Figma. Simply input your design files into DevAssure and watch as it intelligently generates meaningful test cases, uncovering edge cases and potential bugs that traditional methods might miss. DevAssure swiftly delivers a comprehensive set of test cases with the detailed action to be performed and the expected results, saving you significant time compared to manual creation. This empowers you to craft reliable code with certainty. The DevAssure Visual Studio Code plugin empowers you to analyze individual files, specific code blocks, or entire commits directly within your IDE. This means you can fix bugs as soon as you write your code, without the need to run your application. With DevAssure's AI-powered code analyzer, you can identify functional bugs in your code with unparalleled accuracy. By leveraging test cases generated from design files, DevAssure intelligently detects inconsistencies and potential issues before they impact your application. DevAssure goes above and beyond by generating automation code for the test cases it generates. Just enter your site URL to generate the test case, and witness DevAssure generate the automation code. This means you can save time and effort by eliminating the need to manually write repetitive automation scripts. Simplify your testing process and accelerate your development cycle. Experience the future of development with DevAssure's AI-powered automation.